So you know by now that I love coffee, but did you know I love it so much that I just bought another coffee maker type thingy, another little contraption to espresso myself. Take that out, pop that in, click it in, so it's like that. Oh, okay, or not. Oh my goodness, I'm confused. Yeah, I think that's right. This could all go terribly wrong very quickly. Hey Zach, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad, thank you. Why is this not working? Oh, there we go. Not bad.